Hello, and welcome to This Is My Architecture. Today I'm joined by Oba from Talabat. Welcome, Oba.
Hi, Mo.
Everyone in the Middle East knows Talabat, but for those who don't know, can you tell us a bit more about Talabat?
So Talabat is the biggest food delivery platform in the MENA region. We don't just only deliver food, we deliver grocery, pharmaceutical, flour, and so much more. Recently, we launched our Talabat Mart, which delivers groceries 24/7 in less than 30 minutes.
That's amazing. I will enjoy ordering the groceries from the comfort of my couch. You brought an interesting architecture today. Can you tell us a bit about the challenges and problems you're trying to solve with this architecture?
So 2 years ago, we started our digital transformation journey because we wanted to serve customers better and actually innovate a lot more. This is one of the reasons why we started looking at migrating our services from our on-premise to AWS by doing something we called like a rearchitecting of our applications to EKS, and at the same time, using serverless called Lambda.
Excellent. So you looked at your applications and then some of them fall in the category of containers, some of them fall in the serverless category.
Absolutely, because we love to give our development team the flexibility.
Yeah.
Not just only that, we looked at the database as well. One of the things we did was we started extracting our database from a proprietary SQL database to Aurora.
Yeah. So you had the proprietary databases on-premise and you moved to Aurora. What was the benefit of using Aurora?
So one of the benefits of using Aurora is because it's open source. Not just only that, it's a managed service that provides us infinite scalability.
Excellent. So I see here there's a router. What is the role of the router?
When we started this migration journey, because Talabat is so big and critical, and because we serve over 500,000 orders per day, it will be much more important that we provide the highest resilience to our customer. So one of the things we did was we did something called like a weighted traffic shifting between our hosted data center to EKS and Lambda.
Yeah, okay. So you used it for gradually migrating the traffic between the workloads on-premise and the services that we have on AWS.
Absolutely. And that's one of the things that the router did, was to actually provide us this resiliency.
Amazing. So I see here is Beanstalk and EC2. What they are used for?
So when we started his migration journey 2 years ago, then like last year, COVID happened. During this COVID, we could not serve our customer faster as much as we wanted to. So one of the things we thought was we needed to accelerate this migration journey by doing something we called like a replatforming of our application to Beanstalk. And not just only that, one of the things we did was we implemented something called like a lift and shift of our database to EC2.
Yeah, so I see that there was categories of applications that you moved to EKS and Lambda using the re-architecting technique, and there is other categories of applications you moved to Beanstalk using the replatforming technique, right?
Yes, because the applications that were migrated to EKS and Lambda were less complex applications, and it doesn't take us a lot of time to understand the internals. But applications that were moving to Beanstalk would take us a lot of time to actually understand how it works and to actually provide like the highest scalability. And because we're already hitting the limit of how much we can serve our customer, we needed to just do something that we call replatforming. And Beanstalk provides this because we did not have to spend a lot of time to understand how to scale properly.
Excellent. So you move faster by replatforming the workloads. What is the future plans for you with the Beanstalk and the self-hosted database on EC2?
So one of our big plans is actually to migrate all these applications that are in Beanstalk to Lambda, and at the same time to Kubernetes. With this, we can provide like a scalable platform for our customers.
Amazing. So overall, what was the benefits of the architecture that you see?
Unlike our on-premise data center, we can actually scale infinitely on AWS, provide better customer experience, and innovate a lot faster.
Amazing. Thank you, Oba, for sharing this architecture with us today.
Thank you for having me, Mo.
Pleasure. And thank you for watching This Is My Architecture.